it is very difficult for me to mingle around, and especially during teenage time, all the girls were very, you know, mean, and I did not had a good
सब
circle.
अपने ही बबल में होती
अपने
है.
ही bubble में होती है. And then back then I was also brown, I was short, I was not very confident in my skin. I remember there was only one single wall which was white. बाकी सब पे there used to be like very heavy wallpaper Indian घर में. हाँ.
The Indian household.
Like my family was obsessed with that Tarak Mehta mein there's this wall, this square, all of the walls were like that. I'm like, I need a plain wall, mama. I have done everything on internet. Back then there used to be these DIY tops. I used to cut my pants, make shorts and do something color or do something basic. I always wanted to do something. I always believe that God's plan is better than mine. So that is one thing. And
मन का हो तो भला,
ना हो तो और भला. Exactly.
Rupali does make funny content, but would you say you're the funnier one or she's the actual में?
No, she's the funny one. I hope वो मेरा podcast ना देख रही हो, because I don't want to say it out there. We both are like, we can't hug each other, we can't be like, I love you. No, we are not that type. We are like, okay, I appreciate, that is it. Mother's Day pe I go and wish her happy Mother's Day because she is that mom. It is very, very sweet, and sometimes I have to ask permission from both the mothers.
When do you feel you found your voice?
When people were there, oh, I relate to you. I was like, oh, okay, now I feel there's acceptance. So I was like, okay, there are people like me. I don't have to pretend to be someone. I used to get money and then I used to put it back in my makeup because I was living on my pocket money. एक ही foundation था मेरे पास, शैम्पूर का था. Getting my first ring light was a task. Like Amazon पे तब 7,000 की आती थी and I was like, हर एक वीडियो से मैंने सेव किया था.
और अभी तो हर गली में मिलती है.
वो हम ट्रैवल करते हैं and we went to कनक जैसलमेर, and जैसलमेर के एयरपोर्ट पे there was this person holding our plaque, what is it called?
Placard,
the card, welcome Tiwari family, and he got emotional, and Papa is someone who will not get emotional, and we were like, oh, that's so cute.
Such a proud moment.
मैं मेरी बेटियों की वजह से आया हूँ, it was very, very cute. I choose to show only happy parts of my life. I don't choose to share my low points. ऐसे बहुत सारे creators जो करते हैं, good for them, but I feel like if people are investing, I want to send positive vibes to them. A lot of times people think that content creators are not happy, they are just happy on the कैमरा. उसके बाद तो बस अभी मैं यहाँ से उठ के थोड़ा सा सैड हो जाऊंगी और मे बी आई हैव दैट एटीट्यूड वाला फेस और आई वर्कआउट. नहीं, आप बहुत ज़्यादा फेक नहीं कर सकते हो ऑन द इंटरनेट, स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर क्रिएटिंग वेरी लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट वीडियोज़.
She is a creator, she is an observer, and she is funny, I will tell you, because I'm just sensing that energy right now. Hi, I'm Sonal, and today we are going off script with someone who's made everyday household scenes feel so relatable for everyone out there. I'm talking about no one other than Janvi Tiwari. Hi Janvi. Oh, the brown daughter, I must say.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
I'm good too. I'm just so glad to be here.
I just have to tell you, I'm so happy to have you here because the energy, sometimes, you know, किसी को मिलने के बाद तुरंत वो energy ऐसे feel होती है ना, breath of fresh air. That's how I felt about
How
you.
How sweet, same.
Yeah, we actually, for everyone's context, we actually did this and we had a
static energy pass by.
which really makes me feel that we are off to a great start.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah. How has the journey been? How are we feeling today?
I am feeling good. I took a train, so I am somewhere between Surat and Mumbai every day. In this week, I am coming for the second time.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of tired also, but I always wanted this life. I wanted to hustle. I wanted to move to a bigger city.
There is that quote now that says, what a privilege it is to be tired from the work you once prayed for.
Agreed.
Right?
I
am
agree.
getting that vibe from you.
I agree. And Mumbai is that city. The first time I entered, I was here for work. I never had this thing that I'll come to Mumbai, I'll have apartment here where I can come, chill, work, party, do everything. And now that I have one, I'm like, oh my god, is this for real? Like it is always that pinch me moment every time I come unlock my apartment.
When was the last time you were actually like, oh wait, I need to pinch myself to know if this is real or am I
Last week only. It was very beautiful sunset and I have this very beautiful ceiling view and the sun was going down and I was like, wow, is this my place? I call it my cute Airbnb because I come here, I do my work, I go back. So
it's like a weekend home for you.
Yes, it is. And my girls come over, we party a lot. Every occasion like New Year yahi celebrate karna करना है, क्रिसमस यहीं सेलिब्रेट करना है. So it's a very cute getaway.
I love how Mumbai has become her second home, just like that.
Yeah, it is very cute.
Janvi, tell me, when did you start content creation? Like, how young were you?
I started after my 10th standard. So we were discussing this off camera that I am also an introvert, and it is very difficult for me to mingle around, and especially during teenage time, all the girls were very mean, and I did not had a good
सब
circle.
अपने ही bubble में होती है.
अपने ही bubble में होती है. And then back then I was also brown, I was short, I was not very confident in my skin, and camera was something I was like, okay, I can talk. And tab na blogger term was very famous out there,
and it was the coolest thing
to do. And I did like in my 11th standard there was this challenge, I don't know if you remember, dirty shoot location. So you were supposed,
please tell me about
so
it.
we were supposed to go to a dirty location and click some nice pictures, like it could be any random spot, like a bus stand which is not very clean, or
but you are
maybe
the aesthetic part of
or
it.
maybe I shot in front of a JCB for that, and I posted it on my blog.
Oh my, I have to see this picture.
I don't show my blog anymore anywhere because I'm very shy कि मैंने क्या लिखा था, क्या content पहले बनाया था. But it started as a blog page, and then my sister was doing YouTube, and I was like, oh, I also want to do it. And especially back then, 9 years back, in 2016 2017 there were no creators who were doing brown skin makeup look. There were no foundations for us out there.
The inclusivity was really
not there. And if I wanted to learn how to put an eyeliner, I used to watch foreign creators, usually from the West. So it was very difficult to find Indian people out there. So I was like, I want to do this, and I started learning.
Niche. Amazing.
Yeah, I started learning on YouTube only, and that's how I got into content creation.
That's amazing. How did Gopali start, and like what made you feel
So,
ye amazing hai ye?
So she started before me, and I started later. I was like, she's doing it, I also want to do it. I think 1 year, but my channel is older than her. She had a different channel. And then I started the Brown Daughter, and then she started Gopali. So she's doing pehle se, but my channel is older than her. But our genre was very different. She used to do cooking videos, funny skits and all of that. And I was always into beauty fashion, thinking मुझे तो यही करना है. And so I started.
Elder daughter, younger
daughter वाला था ही बिल्कुल. Like one day she's just looking homeless and cooking, and I am coming with this much of full face of makeup out, and we both are shooting. So we were very different. And back then we didn't collab so much because later I got to realize that beauty and fashion is good, but I also want to step in lifestyle category because people like to watch that a lot. So initially it was very different, but we used to do it together, and it used to be very fun. Like I remember I used to shoot it. There was only one single wall which was white, and I was like, I need white background. Baki sab pe there used to be like very heavy wallpaper, Indian ghar mein.
Of course, the Indian household.
Like my family was obsessed with that Tarak Mehta mein. There's this wall, this square. All of the walls were like that. I'm like, I need a plain wall, mama. So I used to shoot it tuition जाने से पहले.
So that was the Janvi corner in the house.
Yeah, that was a Janvi corner. I used to shoot half video before and half video after tuition day. Tuition. That was like crazy long back.
ये तो hustle काफी time से चल रहा है. And would you say, I mean, Gopali does make funny content, but would you say you're the funnier one or she's the actual में?
No, she's the funny one. I hope वो मेरा podcast ना देख रही हो because I don't want to say it out there.
वो है sisters में.
हाँ है. I don't praise her on her face. I'm like, ठीक है, funny है थोड़ी सी.
But क्यों ऐसा क्यों होता है?
पता नहीं. We just don't confess it out there that. I don't know, it's very weird.
Does she do that? Does she?
No, we both are like, we can't hug each other. हाँ, we can't hug each other. We can't be like, I love you. No, we are not that type. We are like, okay, I appreciate that is it.
Oh, you know, even I did not. I have a younger brother. I never did that with him as well. But ever since he's shifted to Bangalore for work. और वो वहाँ रहता है ना, तो वो दूरी की वजह से थोड़ा और वैल्यू बढ़ती है ना. तो अभी जब भी हम फोन करते हैं, now he's your age, okay? अच्छे से हम बात कर रहे हैं फोन रखते समय. I purposely look at him and I'm like, I love you.
How cute.
And he gets a little conscious because speaker पे होता है ना, तो आजू बाजू में उसके guy friends होते हैं, flatmates. I'm like, I love you, and until he says it back, I will not keep the phone. But the distance makes a difference, a whole lot of difference. Have you ever like stayed apart from Gopali for like a long time?
So वी हैव 4 years ऑफ एज गैप. तो स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा होता था जब तक मेरा टीनेज पीरियड चल रहा था टिल 16 आई वॉज नॉट ओपन. लाइक मुझे ऐसा लगता था ये जाके मम्मी को बिचिंग कर देगी मेरी, और मे बी वी डोंट हैव दैट बॉन्ड,
चुगली कर देगी.
चुगली कर देगी टाइप्स. बट आफ्टर I passed 16, like I was more sensible. I was aware of what is going on. I was like, okay, इसका boyfriend है, मेरा boyfriend है, it's okay, we will keep it a secret types. तब हमारा bond start हुआ, and then we started working together. So it was like पहले हम क्लोज नहीं थे, बट देन वी गॉट वेरी क्लोज, एंड इवन बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क, लाइक राइट नाउ इन माई गर्ल गैंग शी इज ऑल्सो पार्ट, एंड वी वीडियो कॉल अपने अपने रूम से. सो वी आर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो, एंड वेन वी वर्क वी आर सिस्टर्स. लाइक
दैट्स सो गुड. आई मीन वर्किंग with your friend is such a privilege, then imagine working with your sister, and उस वजह से bond better होना.
Also like families are very happy with it. Like हम दोनों साथ में जा रहे हैं टू ट्रैवल, टू क्रिएट कंटेंट, सो दे आर लाइक ओके, दे बोथ आर टुगेदर, दे आर गोइंग टू बी सेफ. एक दूसरे हैं, लाइक वन इज देयर टू टेक केयर अगर किसी की तबीयत खराब हो गई और स्टफ लाइक दैट.
आउट ऑफ द टू ऑफ यू, हु इज द मोर इमोशनल वन, हु इज द मोर लाइक प्रैक्टिकल वन? ऐसा है?
हाँ है. आई थिंक आई एम मोर इमोशनल, शी इज मोर प्रैक्टिकल.
फॉर रियल?
हाँ, आई क्राई फटाफट, बट शी इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी सेंसिबल इन दैट मूड. शी इज गोइंग व्हाट नेक्स्ट, व्हाट्स द सॉल्यूशन फॉर इट. आई एम गोइंग टू बी लाइक
how cute. But you actually give a very mature, like a very practical vibe, I have to tell you that.
But when my sister is there, I take
You become the bacha.
Yeah, I become the bacha, and I'm the youngest in my family also. So I'm like, ठीक है, सब है ना ध्यान रखने के लिए, मैं क्यों करूँ?
Ladly baby. You tell me, were you always like, did you always have this personality, or is it because you were like, वो इंडियन हाउस होल्ड में रहने के बाद एक पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट होता है ना, तो वो हुआ है, या दिस इज ऑलवेज बीन यू?
आई थिंक दिस वाज ऑलवेज मी, बट जस्ट दैट थोड़ा सा एम्प अप हो गया है ऑन द इंटरनेट. आई फील लाइक आई रिप्रेजेंट द यंगर सिबलिंग्स. अब मैं मिलती भी हूँ लोगों से, लाइक ओ आई एम सो मच लाइक यू, आई डोंट केयर एंड दिस दैट, बट आई वाज ऑलवेज लाइक दिस. छोटे पे भी कोई आ रहा है घर पे, आई एम लाइक ओके, दे आर गोना डू देयर स्टफ एंड लीव, एंड माय सिस्टर इज ऑलवेज देयर कि ओ हु इज कमिंग अप, उनका ध्यान रखना, उनका ये करना. आई एम लाइक नो, I'm gonna do my stuff. So I'm always me, and I want to do my stuff, take care of just the close ones.
But you're also like so prepared with, I had seen a conversation of yours wherein you knew what you were doing. Like it was not something that you just stumbled upon और मैं बस कर रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है. You know what you're doing, from the planning to किससे क्या बात करनी है, तो उसको कैसे अपने लिए, you know, you wanna turn it towards, you know, your favor. You know all of that. Where is all of this coming from? Where is this maturity coming from? Has Gopali taught you this? Has your life experiences taught you this? What?
I think it was in both of us that we wanted to be independent बहुत starting से, from our early age. So it was there, and I was a kid जिसको कुछ खाली बैठना नहीं पसंद था. I always did something. Back then there used to be these DIY tops. I used to cut my pants, make shorts, and do something, color or do
So
something
creative.
basic. I always wanted to do
Were
something.
you never scared to try something that you see on the YouTube and you were like, what if I get it wrong?
I have done everything on internet back then. Now I am slightly like, oh, I'm gonna stick to what I do. But pehle I was very experimental, I feel like. And I'm a Virgo, so I like my life planned a lot. And if something goes
That
off
explains.
track, I'm like, nahi ho payega, what to do now? I love everything planned. Like I have this thing, I want to be independent by this, I want to be engaged by this, I want
There
to
is
be
a
married.
plan.
Yeah, there's a plan. So yes.
And tell me, when was the last time something like did not work out as your plan and it really like threw you into a spiral and then you figured it out?
I think last year I had a terrible break, and I'm like, shit, I can't do this. Like I was planning my life, this, that, this, and I'm like, okay, I gotta, like, the relationship I have to start again with someone, and it becomes very different.
From
I was
scratch.
like, from scratch, I'm like, no, I can't do this. So it was the breakup part, which was like, okay, this is not going as per my plan, and I was losing my shit.
And then how did you come out? Like, if you had to like maybe give a word of advice, someone going through a breakup, what helps?
I think I always believe that God's plan is better than mine.
Yes.
So that is one thing. And
मन का हो तो भला,
ना हो तो और भला. Exactly. Like it took me some time, but I realized it that okay, it did not work out, maybe because it was supposed to end in future.
Yeah.
So abhi khatam ho gaya, it's better.
Better now than later.
Better now than later. So that, and then I also believe like surround yourself with good people. That really helps. Like in your bad moods, they are going to understand why you have a bad mood.
Yeah.
So
And is there like maybe at that time advice that Gopali gave you that worked for you?
she is Yeah, like she was just there. I feel like मुझे बात करने का मन नहीं हो रहा था किसी से भी. So she was like, I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. She used to come check up दिन में and it was very very cute.
She gave you your space.
Yeah, she was just there. I don't feel like talking a lot because I'm introvert and when I'm not in a good space, I don't feel like talking. I cut myself off. But she used to respect that. Oh, she's going to take her moment and then she'll come back.
How
Types.
sweet.
So she was just there, which was very important.
It really helps having like a sibling who can understand
Yeah, and
your
also
mood.
making Desi household explain that she's going through a breakup is also a tough thing. Like everyone is like, why is she behaving like this? She's like, give some time to her, give some time to her. So that was very
She's
sweet of
always
her.
had your back.
Yeah,
right?
she does.
I mean, the elder siblings and their love for their babies.
Yeah,
The first babies.
like Mother's Day, pe I go and wish her Happy Mother's Day because she's that mom. It is very very sweet, and sometimes I have to ask permission from both the mothers.
And what if अगर उनके बीच में ऐसे conflict हो गया कि नहीं एक ने हाँ बोला एक ने ना बोला तो फिर किसका
So I have to decide कि ये मुझे इसका आंसर चाहिए तो पहले मैं मम्मी के पास जाऊंगी. मम्मी will convince दीदी और I'll go to दीदी and then दीदी will convince मम्मा.
This is such a Indian household coded answer. ऐसे ही होता है.
प्लान करना पड़ता है.
पापा का इसमें कोई योगदान नहीं है.
नहीं, पापा इज लाइक मम्मी से पूछो अगर आपको चल रहा है. पापा इज सुपर चिल. पापा इज लाइक डू व्हाट यू लाइक, जस्ट डोंट पुट मी ऑन कैमरा.
Anyway, घर पे मम्मी की चलती है या तो वो एल्डर सिस्टर जो होती है उसकी चलती है या तो
Agreed.
बड़ा बच्चा चलता है या तो मम्मी चलता है.
मम्मी चलता है.
ये दो ही कार्ड्स चलते हैं.
I agree.
डू यू थिंक कि मतलब एक तो दिस इज अ वेरी अनकन्वेंशनल करियर पाथ राइट. ये अभी अभी जाके क्रिएटिव इकोनॉमी एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस हैज बिकम अ सीरियस करियर
Yeah.
पाथ जिसमें यू कैन मेक मनी, यू कैन सस्टेन योरसेल्फ.
Yeah.
पहले नहीं था. हाउ लॉन्ग डू यू थिंक योर फैमिली वे हैव टेकन टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके आवर गर्ल्स आर डूइंग वेल इन दिस, it's working out?
Yeah.
Because sometimes more than our family, our relatives are more concerned about us कि आपकी बेटी क्या कर रही है, क्या चल रहा है, आपको कुछ सोचना चाहिए उनके बारे में भाई साहब बहन जी. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि when did your family come around the fact that no, this is what they have chosen, this is working out for them, and if a relative ever asks us, we know what to say?
Yeah. So I started early, as I mentioned. I started after 10th. So 11th, 12th was still left.
Yeah.
So relatives used to come and be like, ये पढ़ाई पे ध्यान नहीं देगी, ये नहीं करेगी, इसके marks नहीं आएंगे.
पंचायत.
हाँ, and back then they were not prepared that there's money in this field.
Yeah.
So I used, like, my mom was like, she'll also study and she'll score this much. So I used to pre-film my videos and keep it for my exam time कि सिर्फ मुझे live करना होगा, publish करना होगा. So I used to do that and I told my mom that I'll also do my bachelor's degree and my master's degree, and bachelor's के बाद if I'm earning well, that's when I'll pursue content creation full time.
Wow.
So once I moved out from Surat, there's this place called Vadodara where I did my bachelor's from. So I went there, I started my degree and all of that.
What
And
have you done your bachelor's?
bachelor's in English honors.
Wow.
So I started doing that and I was also
You
doing
like literature?
content creation. Yes, I do. Do you?
I do. I mean, but I never like your content does not give it across.
Yeah, because I'm also COVID student. So जितना actually
घर पे रह के.
हाँ घर पे रह के चला गया, जितना वो कॉलेज में लोग बैठ के पढ़ते हैं, पिकनिक मनाते हैं, वो सब मेरे लिए नहीं हुआ because 3 years का होता है and 2 years went in COVID for me. So it was just first year. And when I went to college, that's when I started earning. I started getting paid partnership and everything. So मैंने college से एक भी पैसा नहीं लिया family से. So they were like, oh okay, she's handling her own life on her own. So they were like, okay.
Okay.
We
You
trust
know
her.
what you're doing.
You know what you're doing. And I feel like families and relatives, they उनको कोई convince नहीं कर सकता, आप नहीं कर सकते, आपके parents नहीं कर सकते that this is a legitimate career. Only when people will accept it, they will accept it.
Yeah. और मे बी उनके घर में कोई करेगा तब उनको समझेगा
कोई
कि
करेगा
हाँ,
या और
इसमें
if they see
है.
money.
If they oh of course if they see the money.
Yeah.
I mean, did Gopali ever tell you when, because Gopali started first, then you started doing it full time. Did Gopali ever tell you कि you should think about the pros and there are cons also in this, you should think about it before you're taking up, or she was like मैं कर रही हूँ bro, you also should do it?
It was mix of both. We both truly started out of passion. Like I loved watching videos. Like a lot of times people come and they're like, I want to do content creation but I don't know where to start from. So I usually say that start with what you like to watch. For example, if you like to watch vlogs, start vlogging. If you like to watch makeup videos, do that. So we started doing that. She used to watch cooking videos, funny skits back then. Vines was a thing. She used to
Yeah.
watch that. So she started doing that, and I used to watch makeup. So I started that. So we truly started out of passion.
Yeah.
हमने negative side देखा ही नहीं. I did not start के पैसा होगा, fame होगा, people will recognize me, or I'll get to work with these brands, all of that. नहीं, मैंने ऐसा कुछ सोचा ही
Do
नहीं.
you remember the first video you ever made?
It was like a trailer video. Back
Yeah.
then there was it was very important to have a trailer for your channel, I feel like. So it was a trailer that I made, and the second was what is in my bag. And now that I go back and watch those videos, मैंने उसमें इतनी सारी चीजें रखी जो मैं कैरी करके नहीं घूमती थी, but I kept it because others used to keep it in it, and I'm like, oh.
बट उन चीज़ों से अभी तक की जानवी में क्या फ़र्क आया है, जब जानवी ने वो वाला किया था और अभी वाली जानवी में क्या फ़र्क है?
I think tab I used to watch a lot of creators, and back in my mind, even when I was trying to not, I don't know what is the right word, I had them in me that I want to be like them. ये जो कर रहे हैं वही करना है. उनके वीडियोस में इतना सामान है, मुझे भी मेरे वीडियोस में इतना ही सामान लाना है. But now I'm like, no, I just carry 5 things in my bag and here it is.
You wanna say what 5 things those are? I mean वो तो regular अपना होता ही है ना.
I'm
maybe.
more me, I feel like now.
Yeah. When do you feel you found your voice?
When people were there, oh, I relate to you. I was like, oh, okay, now I feel there's acceptance. So I was like, okay, there are people like me. I don't have to pretend to be someone.
else. Yeah. Now
So-
people are following me for me.
For me.
Yeah.
So that changed for me.
And when you realized ki, oh, you can monetize this, you can totally make money out of it, how did that feel?
I was happy. So it was same के views भी बढ़ रहे थे and पैसा आना भी start हो रहा था.
हाँ.
But I was so happy that I'm getting views and money together
Yeah,
because it was
together.
out of passion. So पहले पैसा was like okay आ रहा है चल रहा है, but it was the views that was more
Yeah.
fun for me.
'Cause so many people are tuning in और
Yeah.
उन लोग को चाहिए
चाहिए
आपको देखना.
Exactly. And also the part was I used to get money and then I used to put it back in my makeup because I was living on my pocket money. एक ही foundation था मेरे पास Shambor का था. I was like now I'm gonna buy Fit Me also, now I'm gonna buy this also, that
Shambor का था?
Shambor का था. So I was like अब मुझे और मेरे makeup products बढ़ाने हैं. So I used to put it back.
So everything you were earning out of your content, you were investing in yourself basically.
Yeah, like
And
getting my first ring light was a task. Like Amazon पे तब 7,000 की आती थी and I was like हर एक वीडियो से मैंने सेव किया था, सेव
talk
किया
about,
था.
और अभी तो हर गली
हर
गली
गली
में
में
मिलती
मिलती
है.
है.
Damn. It's really बहुत change हो गया है ना ये content creation का.
It is, the equipments are easy to find but competition has increased now. That's the bad part I feel.
Yeah. And if there was anyone ever starting like thinking, I don't feel now starting content creation really can catch up as soon as it did back then. Do you feel?
No, I don't think so.
No?
Because people are growing with you and also there's space for everyone, I feel like.
Yeah.
If you're being you, then there's space for everyone. If everyone is gonna sit with a plain white background, do the same thing,
Yeah,
that
तो
it
नहीं
might
होगा.
become monotonous. I feel like you gotta show you also.
Yeah.
You need to show your personality as well, and that's when it picks up.
But that's such a wise, advice that she is given. And because we were talking about investments, you invest also? Bro, you're so young. Everything you're doing at this young age only. How are you? I mean, I know you're a Virgo. I will give it to you that you're very organized and planned. But cracking investments is not easy.
Goes to my family. I think the credit goes to my family, and being born and brought up in Gujarat, I think it comes
It
from
comes,
within.
yeah. Money and taking it
Money
seriously.
and I'm like अभी आ रहा है, what if बाद में नहीं आएगा? I gotta save my money because I do feel like creator industry changes a lot.
Yeah,
a
it
lot.
does, it
We
does.
expect a lot of changes.
How
So
much do you think it has changed since you've started?
a lot. Like मुझे honestly इतना वो ही नहीं था कि this is going to be this big, and I still feel like this is going to be more big in the future. So there's no particular number or I feel like ये पहुँचेगा, यहाँ पहुँचेगा, but I see there's a lot of growth that is yet to come.
Yeah.
Because I have few friends creators who are not from India and I spoke to them and उनके वहाँ पे जो चीज़ें चल रही है वो इंडिया में अभी तक नहीं आई हैं. So it is going to come later and it is going to
Which is great.
grow more, I feel like.
How do you like doing these brand deals? Because sometimes I know there is a lot of back and forth ना कि script ऐसी है मैम हमको ऐसा चाहिए. उसमें ऑथेंटिसिटी मेंटेन करना कितना मुश्किल होता है.
You gotta push back with brands. I feel like it is smooth now. Brands are understanding कि थोड़ा सा creative freedom देते हैं.
Yeah.
एक ही campaign है और 50 creators एक ही चीज कर रहे हैं, तो it is
Yeah.
going to be थोड़ा सा chaos.
Hard sell लगेगा.
Hard sell लगेगा. But now I think brands are also getting on board with the idea कि इनको जैसे करना है करने दो
Yeah.
types. But still there are few brands who are still with the same mindset that they want an
Dinosaurs.
artsy video or stuff like that. थोड़ा सा पुश बैक करना पड़ता है.
And it works.
It works, but now I've started mentioning it like सामने से ही starting में that these are my these are
Terms,
my
yeah,
commercials.
of course.
Do you want a paid video type or do you want an organic integration type? So it becomes
Starting में ही clear कर लेना.
हाँ,
बहुत
तो
important है.
starting में easy हो जाता है. I know what they want, they know what I want to create for them.
And it works out. What was the most favorite video you've done? Maybe a brand collaboration, maybe just a you video that you really liked. और कभी किसी दिन ऐसा time मिला तो you'll go and watch it.
Okay, this is very recent thing. So, we know matcha is blooming right
Oh my
now, right?
God.
And 5 years back, there's this matcha brand that reached out to me
5 years
6
ago.
years back, yeah. And they're like, we want to make a matcha video. I made a whole dedicated video. 5 things to do with your matcha. I made a coffee, I made a drink, I made a face pack, I made a scrub out of it. And when matcha was growing, I was like, ये तो मैंने पहले किया हुआ
5
है. It
years
was
ago.
not cool back then.
You were so ahead of your time.
Brands were so ahead, I was ahead. अभी थोड़ा cool हो गया. That is what I feel
Do you
like.
like matcha?
I did not like जो मैंने पहले try किया था, but now I like it because I'm not a coffee person. So either it's
Matcha
chai.
works.
I don't get chai जब मैं बाहर travel कर रही होती हूँ, so matcha is available. But now I'm a green tea person, guys.
Do you want to tell who has transitioned
Yes,
you?
credit goes to her.
Guys, you will find out about this
Soon, yes.
I'm so glad that just one whiff has been enough.
One whiff and one sip and I'm sold. You gotta be a creator.
My God. So, आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर and green tea.
Green tea.
The tropical green tea.
The tropical green tea.
Janvi, tell me, your parents, sometimes you make vlogs with your mama in it also, and it feels like she loves doing it with you. When was the first time you got her in a video, and how did she like it, and how, like, is she also considering becoming a vlogger?
She loves it. She's more extrovert than me. I am introvert. My sister is extrovert. ये दोनों बहुत शैतानी करते हैं, बहुत banter create करते हैं. They roast me. Sometimes me and mama roast Didi. It's always like that. Even when there was no camera, we three used to go shopping, have fun. Papa is like, तुम लोग करो. Papa is very अपने में रहने वाले इंसान. And I'm also like him only, but थोड़ा सा more towards my sister and my mom. So she's always like this. And when I started vlogging naturally, when Didi started vlogging naturally, she came in. Didi cooking videos बनाती, she's like, तुम गलत कर रही हो, रुको मैं बताती हूँ. Didi was like, मम्मी बर्तन कहाँ हैं? And she used to come scold her, and people loved watching her. So as
Because it's so Indian household. I mean, no one's putting that rawness out there, right?
Yeah,
लेकिन
it's
सबके
very
घर में ये हो रहा है.
chaotic desi household thing going on. So it's always very natural. Mama का भी एकदम naturally आया, and people love watching my mom. They'll come, they're like, say hello to auntie, namaste करना auntie को, how's auntie doing? So people are more invested in auntie, and auntie also loves it. And auntie is like, मुझे भी मेरा cooking channel बनाना है, मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है. But then she's like, फिर हमारे channel पे क्या होगा? हम सारी रेसिपीज मम्मी के हमारे चैनल पे डाल देते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो नाउ वी हैव गॉट मिश्री आवर पेट, सो मम्मा एंड मिश्री आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज. सो इट बिकम्स
She's the third baby in the house.
या एंड मम्मी के बिना हमारा चैनल ही नहीं चलेगा. आई फील लाइक शी इज द
She's the MVP.
शी इज सो.
And I mean, does she ever sit and watch your content?
She sits, watches and she reads all the comments and she'll come, देखो मेरे बारे में ये कह रहे, मेरा ये कुर्ता अच्छा लग रहा है, तुम कह रहे थे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. So
And does she give feedback also कि बेटा ये तो ऐसे किया था, इसका थोड़ा ऐसे करके.
हाँ, full on. She's fully invested in our vlogs.
She's the momager of the Indian household.
She is. She'll sit with our team also, roast करेगी, ये बताएंगी, वो बताएंगी.
Wow.
सब. She also watches a lot of content creators. तो हमें आके बताएंगे ये करते हैं, मैंने इनको करते हुए देखा था, ये trend. So she's very
She's
cool.
quite involved in the
She
process.
is.
Huh?
She is.
And it seems like she loves it. And
Yeah.
does your papa also see?
Papa is like तुम लोग कर रहे हो अच्छा है, ओके, इफ मॉम इज हैप्पी यू ऑल आर हैप्पी, ही इज हैप्पी, ही विल बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, थोड़ा थोड़ा बट नॉट अ लॉट. जैसे मॉम सेंट्रिक वीडियोस हम बना सकते, लाइक नहीं नहीं.
Has he ever seen any video and he's like, मतलब पापा तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सप्रेसिव होते ही नहीं हैं,
हाँ.
बट ऐसा कभी हुआ है that he's seen something, maybe a video, an event that you've been to, any part out of your journey and he was like कि अच्छा था.
अच्छा था. सो आई फील लाइक हमारी ग्रोथ ना बहुत ज़्यादा कोविड के पीरियड में हुई थी. वी यूज टू डू इट पहले से, बट लोगों के पास बहुत फ्री टाइम था दैट दे यूज टू गो एंड वॉच आवर प्रीवियस वीडियोज एज वेल, एंड वो भी जो हम बना रहे थे तब भी चल रहा था. एंड देन लॉकडाउन खुला एंड वी वर कॉल्ड टू जैसलमेर. देयर दिस प्रॉपर्टी कॉल्ड कनक जैसलमेर, एंड इट वॉज आवर फर्स्ट टाइम ट्रैवलिंग टुगेदर एज अ फैमिली. उससे पहले हमने वैष्णो देवी की ट्रिप ली है, वो सब लिया, बट हमने कभी ट्रैवल नहीं किया था एज देसी हाउस होल्ड. सो वी वर लाइक ओ हम ट्रैवल करते हैं, एंड वी वेंट टू कनक जैसलमेर. एंड जैसलमेर के एयरपोर्ट पे देयर वाज दिस पर्सन होल्डिंग आवर play, what is
Yeah,
it called,
placard,
the card, welcome Tiwari family, and he got emotional, and papa is someone who will not get emotional, and we were like, oh that's so cute. He's
Such a
like,
proud moment.
मैं मेरी बेटियों की वजह से यहाँ आया हूँ. It was very very cute.
And वो भी that too so early on in your careers.
हाँ.
I would like to mention that.
Yes,
That
was
happening
very
for
cute.
any family would really make them feel so proud of the kids they are, right?
Yes.
Do you remember the last time you felt proud of yourself?
I got 1 million play button. I was like, ये मैं लोगों के बैकग्राउंड में देखा करती थी, and now
मेरे
I
हाथ
have
में
it in
है
my
अपना.
background in my videos. So it was very like getting silver play button and golden play button is validation from YouTube,
Yeah.
which is like a very big thing for creators.
True.
So I was very happy.
True.
It was a dream. So
Would you say that this achievement that you made of getting that 1 million, play button for yourself was because with the changing times you have adapted to the times?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Like I was very much long format creator
Yeah.
only, and जब shorts and reels आए थे, I was like, how am I gonna do this? And for the longest time, I did not upload YouTube short. For 6 months launch हो चुका था. Everyone was trying. I'm like, नहीं, I want to be a long form creator only. But then I realized that this is the new thing that
Yeah.
people want to consume, and I'll have to do this. I'm a YouTuber, but still I have to do this.
Yeah, and it shorts really help boost your
Yeah,
followers,
shorts
right?
do.
The subscribers,
Shorts do.
followers, and all of that.
No, I agree.
Because सबका attention span इतना कम हो गया.
कम हो गया. Like people will watch 20 minutes के 20 shots and they won't invest in a 20 minute का long format
one
video.
video they want.
Yeah, it's too much of commitment नहीं देनी आजकल.
किसी को नहीं देनी, किसी एस्पेक्ट में नहीं देनी है. ये
Agreed.
ऐसा हो गया, ये लाइफ ऐसे हो गई है.
हाँ.
But except for like say social media, what would you say have changed in the world?
In the world, I think in general थोड़ा सा सोशल मीडिया से रिलेटेड है. आजकल आप हर चीज़ को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोटेक्टिव हो गए. व्हाट इफ समवन फील्स बैड फॉर दिस, मैंने ये कर दिया तो ये शायद गलत ना लग जाए.
Safe play करना है
सेफ
सबको.
प्ले करना पड़ता है. पहले पीपल वर लाइक ठीक है, इट्स ओके, एवरीवन वाज लाइट हार्टेड, बट नाउ
पहले इतना बैकलैश भी नहीं आता था ना.
हाँ, तो अब
अभी तो कैंसिल कल्चर आ गया है.
कैंसिल कल्चर आ गया है. यस, आई एग्री. सो वो एक थोड़ा सा है कि आई फील लाइक पीपल आर वेरी सेंसिटिव नाउ.
Does it ever bother you when you are trying to plan your content?
हाँ, कभी कभी आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू से समथिंग जो शायद ऐसा साउंड कर जाता है जो मैं नहीं बोलना चाहती. सो मे बी एट टाइम्स, बट ठीक है.
Was there an instance where you felt misunderstood like that? On social media by your followers? Sometimes these people are not even your followers who are commenting
या
like that.
आई एग्री. सो मुझे ना ऐसा बहुत होता है दैट वेन एवर आई से आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर समथिंग, इट डजंट वर्क आउट इन माई फेवर. आई फील
नजर
लाइक
लग
दैट.
जाती है.
नहीं, नजर लग जाती है, पता नहीं. आई जस्ट डोंट यूज द वर्ड एक्साइटेड, आई यूज द वर्ड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट टाइम्स. आई डोंट नो, इट्स जस्ट इन माई हेड, स्मॉल थिंग. बट आई सेड इट ऑन द इंटरनेट एंड दे आर लाइक, no, this is not the right way. I'm like, okay, maybe it's not for you. So what you want to say is not the same thing that is being
It's not conveyed
conveyed
like
the
that,
right way, I feel like sometimes.
Right, but I think looking forward to is good only. I mean, होगा नहीं होगा पता नहीं, हो सकता है, और हो जाए तो अच्छा ही होगा.
Agreed.
उस मोड में
उस
है हम,
mode में
right?
है हम.
That works for us.
Yeah.
What's the weirdest thing that people think content creators do? That you've listened from relatives or maybe your friends that are not into this field?
हाँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that people think we are always very put together, and how I'm looking right now, you will find me like this at every place. if I am catching a train भाग के सुबह 5 बजे, I'm not gonna look like this. I'm gonna look like a homeless person that I am at home. So we are not always put together, and we don't look the same always, and we don't even have the same energy at times.
Yeah.
So that is
That is
something
something,
that people
yeah.
think जो दिखते हैं कैमरे पे बिल्कुल वैसे ही होने चाहिए, सेम टू सेम, बट
ऐसा कभी हुआ है that when we are out there, someone has recognized you, you're like, hey, I see you on YouTube. I've seen you and your sister on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
हाँ हुआ
And
है.
how did that make you feel?
It
famous
feels it feels amazing. Like I love talking to people and they come and they're like उनको तो मेरी पूरी लाइफ ही पता है, मैं सुबह उठ के ये खाती हूँ, मैं ये करती हूँ, वो करती हूँ, आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद चेरी रेड कलर, उनको सब पता है. एंड देन आई एम आस्किंग आपको क्या पसंद है, आपका क्या है. सो इट्स लाइक अ होल क्यूट कॉन्वर्सेशन बिकॉज इट फील्स लाइक फैमिली. दे नो मी, दे आर लाइक हम तो आपको जानते हैं, वो
Yeah.
एकदम चिल आके बात
आप हमारे
करेंगे
घर की सदस्य ही हो.
हाँ, दे फील लाइक हम तो आपको खाते टाइम पे देखते हैं, यार फेवरेट थिंग. तो उसमें हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड देन वी वांट टू नो अच्छा और क्या करते हो आप क्या कर रहे हो. सो इट्स अ वेरी होमली कॉन्वर्सेशन.
Imagine the compliment hidden behind what she just said कि एक टाइम था जब हम खाते समय तारक मेहता देखते थे या कुछ ऐसा देखते थे, कोई खाते समय तुम्हें देख रहा है.
आई नो,
कितनी बड़ी बात है यार.
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सो दैट्स व्हेन आई feel like I choose to show only happy parts of my life. I don't choose to share my low points. ऐसे बहुत सारे creators जो करते हैं, good for them, but I feel like if people are investing, I want to send positive vibes to them. I don't want to talk about what is going on in my life. Why do I cry in my videos and all of that? So I try to show the positive.
Do you believe in vibes, aura?
Full on. मुझे
Yeah.
लगता है एकदम I don't make videos जिस दिन मुझे थोड़ा low on energy भी feel हो रहा होता है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है even if I edit it, I don't end up posting it because I feel like this is not my best me. So I discard the video.
ऐसे कितने वीडियोस बने हैं जो
बहुत. हाँ मेरे, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है I was not in the best zone, so I don't upload it. So I don't even shoot on those days. The day I'm feeling good, I'm like hey.
But if ever ऐसा कोई वीडियो बन जाए, do you like फिर भी take a second opinion from your mom or maybe
हाँ,
your
आई टेक
father?
सेकेंड ओपिनियन. एंड अगर वो कहते हैं अरे नहीं ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, मैं उन्हें पहले बताऊंगी नहीं दैट आई वाज फीलिंग लो दिस डे, आप बता आपका क्या पर्सपेक्टिव, एंड देन आई पोस्ट. बट वेरी रेयरली, यूजुअली तो मैं डिस्कार्ड कर लेती हूँ, तो मैं शूट ही नहीं कर रही होती.
But are you like you said you're an introvert? That's different. Are you खुश मिजाज in general or
हाँ, द पीपल आई कनेक्ट विथ वो तो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन जाएंगे. लाइक अगर मुझे वाइब आ गई तो आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी विथ यू.
आ
और
रही है?
अगर वाइब नहीं आई ना,
आ रही है?
हाँ बहुत आ रही है. तो तब
तो
मेरे
अभी
लिए
जब भी जानवी मुंबई आएगी मैं जानवी
we are hanging out.
Yeah, oh my god, yes, and we're gonna have our green tea
green
date.
tea together. Done.
That's so amazing.
So I do feel like vibe आनी चाहिए मुझे,
Very
and then I'm good. And sometimes vibe नहीं आएगी तो फिर मुझे मजा नहीं आती.
We talked about how the world has changed, but how do you think the entire relationship वाला जो world है वो change हो रहा है with time? Because इतने terms आ
I
गए
see
हैं,
where
my
Sonal
god.
is getting.
How has it changed? Do you think?
I think it is still the same
Yeah,
now.
it
Just we
is.
have a lot of words for
Oh my, everything.
everything.
There is benching, there's breadcrumbing. ये पहले ज़माने में ये चीजें होती थी.
but उसको उसके लिए words नहीं थे.
उसको importance भी नहीं दिया जाता था.
I agree. And I think there's market for everything that you are looking for. If you want committed relationship, उसके लिए भी लोग हैं. If you want situationship, उसके लिए भी लोग हैं. Just आपको पहले ही
casuals,
पूछना है.
उसके लिए भी
हाँ,
है.
सब चीज़ों के लिए सब लोग हैं. Just clear कर लो पहले ही क्या चाहिए आपको.
क्या तुम्हें? सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम यही है, हर कोई कंफ्यूज है उसे चाहिए
क्या. I agree.
जो मिल जाता है फिर लगता है कुछ और चाहिए. ऐसा होता है कि नहीं?
बिल्कुल होता है. एंड स्पेशली अभी तो लोग पीपल आर वेरी कंफ्यूज इन देयर हेड व्हाट डू दे वांट. सो इट्स बेटर टू डायरेक्टली आस्क देम कि आप क्या चाहते हो, पहले ही बता दो
इरादा
ताकि
क्या
टाइम
है?
वेस्ट ना हो.
आपका इरादा क्या है, तो
Yeah.
हम सोचे कि हम मैच कर रहे हैं, हम सेम लेवल पे है या नहीं है, फिर हम
Agree.
बात आगे बढ़ाए.
या एंड पहले ना बहुत ज़्यादा फोन मैसेजेस वीडियो कॉल्स वगैरह नहीं होते थे. अब होते तो वी आर वेरी इन्वेस्टेड इन द पर्सन
Yeah.
ऑल्सो. एंड अगर कुछ सीरियस नहीं टर्न आउट हो रहा है, सो जस्ट वेस्टिंग योर
वेरी
एनर्जी.
heartbreaking also, right?
सो आई एम लाइक
When
पहले
that
पूछ लो,
happens, पहले ही पूछ लो, पहले ही सब क्लियर कर लो,
सब क्लियर कर लो.
फिर ही बाद में सोचना. लेकिन यार लोगों के माइंड भी तो बहुत जल्दी चेंज होते हैं.
हाँ, आई अग्री.
1 minute they want something, the other minute they are like, मेरे को लगा मुझे ये चाहिए, but it's not for me.
Yeah, I'm sorry. That's it.
What world are we living in, and what to do of this world or our lives? Do you have an opinion?
I
on
don't
this?
have any opinion here. I'm like जो
बस चल रहा है,
होना
चल रहा है, चलने दो।
चल रहा है, देखते हैं कहाँ जाता है. And you know, even if you plan so much के oh I've been with this person, be it a best friend, be it a boyfriend, be it a girlfriend, 10 years, you don't know what's going to happen on the 11th year. Maybe something will happen, and especially I've seen so much of it on internet. पहले होता होगा, इतना बाहर नहीं आता होगा what, but I feel like right now people are losing connection very easily.
Yeah, very easily.
Yeah.
Friendships में भी breakups.
फ्रेंडशिप्स में ब्रेकअप हो रहे हैं, रिलेशनशिप में ब्रेकअप हो रहा है. द ओनली बेस्ट थिंग इज यू नीड टू एंजॉय योर ओन कंपनी.
Oh, that is so important.
हाँ.
And you do, right? You
हाँ,
enjoy your
मुझे तो
own
बहुत
company.
पसंद है. मुझे सोलो ट्रैवलिंग पसंद है, मुझे अकेले रहना
What
बहुत
was your
पसंद
favorite
है.
solo trip that you've ever taken?
I was invited by YouTube to Zurich, and it was like my dream trip कि YouTube ने मुझे Zurich बुला लिया. I lost my shit. I was like very happy. मैं गई, but I was still very scared क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे creators आ रहे थे from other country, and you're supposed to be there, और बहुत new faces होंगे and everything. But I pushed myself there, and then क्योंकि मैं स्विट्जरलैंड पहले जा चुकी थी, I planned on the airport कि मैं वहाँ से एम्स्टरडैम जाती हूँ अकेले.
Oh, so cool.
तो मैंने ज़ुरिक से मेरा पूरा काम कंप्लीट किया, एंड मैंने मस्त कंटेंट बनाया सोलो ट्रिप वाला. फिर मैं एम्स्टरडैम गई अकेले, एंड आई हैड दैट मोमेंट कि मैं खुद घूम रही हूँ अकेले, लोगों को देख रही हूँ, एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड आई लव सोलो ट्रैवलिंग. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव माय ओन.
What is one destination you would like to go to solo?
I want to go to South Korea. My sister has been there and she absolutely loved it, and she is not a person जो बहुत ज़्यादा solo traveling को पसंद करती थी पहले, but she loved that destination, so I want to go there. I also want to go to New York solo.
Solo?
हाँ.
What are the things that you're planning ki maybe I would like to do this in New York and this in South Korea?
I want to experience all the color theory thing.
Yeah. ऐसा लगता है ना कहीं और
cute
justice होगा ही नहीं, ये वही
ये वही जाके होगा. इंटरनेट ने ऐसा बता दिया ये तो यही होगा टाइप्स. एंड इन न्यूयॉर्क आई जस्ट वांट टू डू लाइक अ चिल आई लिव इन न्यूयॉर्क टाइप ऑफ वीडियोस कि मैं तो उठती हूँ, माचा पीती हूँ, ये करती हूँ, वो करती हूँ टाइप्स. आई वांट टू डू दैट, एंड आल्सो ऑल द टूरिस्टी थिंग्स टाइप्स.
Before we go to a very fun rapid fire segment, just one thing I want to ask you is what do you think ऐसा लोगों के दिमाग में misconception है about earning from content creation?
That you are not happy. A lot of times people think that content creators are not happy, they are just happy on the camera. उसके बाद तो बस अभी मैं यहाँ से उठ के थोड़ा सा सैड हो जाऊंगी, और मे बी आई हैव दैट एटीट्यूड वाला फेस और आई वर्कआउट. नहीं, आप बहुत ज़्यादा फेक नहीं कर सकते ऑन द इंटरनेट, स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर क्रिएटिंग वेरी लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट वीडियोज. आप अगर उनका बहुत टाइम से सुन रहे हो, देख रहे हो, दे आर गोइंग टू बी लाइक दैट ओनली.
How long can you keep a performance up?
एग्जैक्टली. सो आई फील लाइक जैसे आप सोच रहे हो वो वैसे होंगे. थोड़ा ट्रस्ट करो क्रिएटर्स को भी, एंड दे आर
Bang on.
द सेम ऑलवेज. इफ दे आर अर्निंग, दे आर नॉट अर्निंग, दे आर गोना बी सेम.
I mean, I तो personally I feel that I am finding Janvi more happier in person than in her content.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा मुझे भी ऐसा
ये मेरे को फील हो रहा है.
पहले ना मुझे लगता है मैं बिल्कुल भी बात नहीं करती थी. आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक आई एम हैविंग दिस, नाउ आई एम डूइंग दिस, नाउ आई एम डूइंग दैट, बट नाउ आई स्टार्टेड सेइंग मैं पी रही हूँ, मुझे अच्छा तो नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. सो नाउ आई बिकम मोर talkative and open with the age, I feel like.
That is the credit goes to the age. यार कुछ चीज़ें ना बड़े होने के बाद ही समझ आती है, वो अंदर से आती है. You cannot fake it.
I agree.
वो जब अंदर से चेंज आता है ना, हृदय परिवर्तन हो जाता है.
I agree. 16-year-old को बात ही नहीं करनी थी. मुझे जानना है आपका पर्सपेक्टिव क्या है, आपका पर्सपेक्टिव क्या है, and if you want to know them, you have to talk. So that
Since 2000, you said 16, उससे मेरे को याद है 2016 2026 ट्रेंड चल रहा है. What was Janvi doing in 2016?
I was in my school. So मैंने अभी डाला था 2016 dump, and it was very cute. I was like मेरे मतलब I was a whole different person. I feel like 10 साल पहले I had curly hair, and now I have such naturally straight hair. अभी मैं curls करके आई हूँ, नहीं तो ये curls भी याद है वेरी स्ट्रेट, वेरी सिल्की स्ट्रेट, एंड तब मुझे कर्ल्स हैं, एंड तब एकदम मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग आईलाइनर लगा रही हूँ विथ रेड लिपस्टिक, एंड नाउ आई कांट डू दोनों साथ में कभी
भी नहीं, because we've learned either eyes are bold or the lips are bold.
Both
of them can't be bold at the same time.
But 2016 में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. तब आपको जो करना है
सब चल रहा था. अरे बाप रे, 2016 में क्या क्या नहीं किया है.
और तब मैं जो सोचती थी कि मैं ऐसी तो नहीं बनूंगी, और मैं वैसी बन गई हूँ टाइप्स में, जैसा लगता है.
Very poised, but I would like to mention very poised, and you know what you're doing. वो vibe वो हो गया हमारा काम.
How cute.
Tell me, has What do you hope people feel after watching your videos? When you're making the videos?
I think they feel relatable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
that
relatable.
this that oh, I understand her types.
Yeah.
Or maybe if not that, थोड़ा सा aspirational types कि this is what I want to do maybe in the future.
I would like to get here someday.
हाँ, or maybe for example vision board was not cool back then.
Yeah.
Now people have started making
Have you
vision board
made a
creators.
vision board?
Yeah, I've been doing it and I place it in my room अच्छे से.
Has it worked out for you in 2025?
2025 not so much.
वो साल ही ऐसा था कि क्या ही
है ना, मुझे भी यही लगता है 2025 was not a good year guys. Like
The energy was
personally,
a little everywhere.
work-wise, सभी के लिए मुझे तो थोड़ा शेकी लग रहा था. But उससे पहले जो मैंने बनाए हैं, it has worked out very well.
So this year we are hoping for the best for you.
Yes.
My rapid fire segment begins now.
Okay.
Just like this or that questions. Are you a morning person or a night thinker?
Night thinker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the latest you sleep at night?
Latest. Very bad, I think 11.
11 को you sleep?
Earliest.
That is
हाँ,
earliest.
11
What is
से
the
पहले तो मुझे
latest?
नींद ही नहीं आएगी and रात में it can go till 2-3.
Oh, 2. Oh, वाह. ये लॉकडाउन वाले दिन याद दिला रही है मुझे.
Yes.
तब तो 4 बजे रात होती थी
हाँ,
हमारी.
मतलब इट्स लाइक क्रिएटिव मन अब कर रहा है. अब मुझे सारे फॉन्ट ढूंढने जो मेरे वीडियो में डालने, तो मैं रात के 2 बजे बैठ के ढूंढ रही हूँ. सो इट्स वेरी बैड.
Creative thought process happens best at night,
Best,
is
yeah.
what I've heard.
Yeah.
Are you a silence or background noise person? What do you prefer? Like when you're working?
साइलेंस.
There has to be.
या सब एयरपोर्ट्स लगा के काम करेंगे. आई लाइक दैट.
Oh wow. Being understood or being liked?
Being understood.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't mind difference of opinion, but someone has to understand me.
Yeah.
We can't be on the same page with everyone, but they need to understand why I'm like this.
True. Makes absolute sense. Observing quietly or reacting instantly?
Observing quietly.
It's the most wholesome thing.
हाँ, सोलो ट्रैवलिंग मुझे पसंद ही आता है कि मैं बस देख रही हूँ लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. अच्छा, ये ऐसे कर रही है, ऐसे कर रही है.
How are they going about their life? India में life कैसी है और यहाँ पर
यहाँ
कैसी
पे कैसी है?
है?
Yes.
सबसे ज्यादा फर्क कहाँ दिखा है?
सबसे ज़्यादा फ़र्क कहाँ दिखा है? लंदन. हाँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है लंदन के पीपल आर होल डिफरेंट. दे आर लिटरली कमिंग आउट ऑफ देयर बुक्स.
Wow. Comfort food or comfort scrolling?
बोथ टुगेदर.
French fries खाते
खाते
I'm
खाते
seeing what's
देखना है
happening.
मुझे कुछ. Yes.
I relate. Posting immediately or overthinking first?
Posting immediately.
Yeah.
If I like something, I'll post it, क्योंकि मुझे थोड़े टाइम बाद मुझे मेरा कंटेंट पसंद ही नहीं आता है. After 5 days, if you tell me you want to post this reel, I'm like नहीं. तभी I tell brands also, please फटाफट post कर देते. फिर मैंने अभी
मेरा मन उतर जाएगा.
मैंने अभी ब्रांड रीशूट वापस किया है बिकॉज वो पीस अप्रूव हो गया. I'm like मुझे इससे वाइब्स नहीं आ रही, मैं यही सेम आपको वापस बना के देती हूँ.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're quite dedicated with your work. I have to give it to you.
How
Structured routine or creative chaos?
Structured routine.
वो तो बोल दिया इन्होंने. वर्गो है मैम. Validation online or peace offline?
Very difficult. Peace offline.
Oh, in her solo trips ना.
हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मुझे एक टाइम तक वैलिडेशन चाहिए था, अब नहीं है तो भी आई एम हैप्पी.
Family WhatsApp group on या on mute?
ऑन म्यूट.
सुबह सुबह इतने मैसेज और WhatsApp यूनिवर्सिटी के सारे मैसेजेस फैमिली ग्रुप्स में ही
आई
आते
एम
हैं.
वेरी बैड एट टेक्स्ट एंड टेक्स्ट कॉल मी. मेरा स्टेटस ही यही है, आई कांट सी द टेक्स्ट. आई म्यूट एवरीवन, जस्ट माय वर्क ग्रुप्स आर ओपन.
बिजी कॉल इफ अर्जेंट.
या कॉल इफ अर्जेंट. यस.
लोग क्या कहेंगे और जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
जो होगा देखा जाएगा. डेफिनेटली.
वो है ना संभालने वाला. एक्टिंग अनॉयड और होल्डिंग लाफ्टर?
होल्डिंग लाफ्टर.
She made that face also.
आई एम वेरी बैड एट होल्डिंग माई लाफ्स.
Yeah.
और कोई गिर जाए तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता होल्ड मुझसे.
Real life you या content you?
रियल लाइफ मी.
I think like a lot of real life you is in your content, so it's a mixture, right?
हाँ, इट्स अ मिक्सचर, बट आई थिंक आई एम मोर वाइब्स ऑफलाइन. ऑनलाइन में सोचती हूँ ये डालू क्या है, ज़्यादा हो जाएगा टाइम.
Right. Soft life or ambitious era?
एम्बिशियस एरा.
Always.
Always.
One word for your current phase in life.
Current phase. Happy.
Happy and manifesting amazing things in 2026.
Yes.
That is what I'm giving you. The word
So
I'm giving you for this
sweet.
year.
Sweet.
What do you hope brown daughters feel when they see your content?
They want to be, I feel like I want my audience to be heard when they see me
Yeah.
or watch me. या तो उन्हें ये लगे कि हाँ, she is very much like me or she is the
Yeah.
girl next door, और I want to do what she's doing, maybe.
Yeah.
Something on these lines.
Either or, but very amazing, motivation to and encouragement to give people out there जो देख रहे हैं. Thank you so much for being here with me, Janvi.
So sweet.
मतलब
for
आते से ही जो
calling.
vibes connect हुए हैं और ये पूरा conversation has been so vibey, I would say.
I agree. I felt the same energy. Like हम जब से बैठे ये couch पे before the camera was rolling, it was so much of fun. And एक भी conversation ऐसी नहीं है कि अब क्या, what next, or awkward thing. You're amazing.
I'm so glad I had you here. You are amazing. You gave me a lot of content that I could have a conversation over. Thank you for everything you're doing. Thank you for being, guiding light in a way and inspiration for the brown daughters out there. Thank you for making that difference.
Sweet. Thank you for calling me Social Nation and you.
I'm
Thank
glad.
you.
That was Janvi Tiwari for you guys. And ऐसे ही आपके favorite content creators, actors, influencers will be joining me here soon on this podcast. So stay tuned.
Bye. Hi, I'm Janvi Tiwari on Off Script with Social Nation.